can Youzi Pi, a world champion from 2019, maintain his head on top of this battle?
He has the experience, Woody. His pre-match ritual is to try and relax before his attack. Do you think he could do that in this situation? Elimination matchup. HT family with that 1 percentage point. He knows anything other than a 3-star. 99% too, it's not enough. Starting out with the Barbarian King, diving into that area for the multi-target Inferno, and he's got the Queen on the outside of the base, just moving in slowly. Headhunters move across, and he just needs to keep calm during this attack.
Youzi Pi has the experience of that world final stage. The stakes have only been higher for him at that moment, but for his team now, for GKKOG, a relative newcomer having formed just at the end of 2020 and recently beginning to participate in community events, this is their time to shine. This is their time to build up a reputation, qualifying for the Clash of Clans World Championship in just the second season on the heels of amazing other squads like Alternate Attacks and MCES. They are looking to make a name for themselves, and with the head up over HT family, they could right here and now establish their name as a force to be contended with.
It is fantastic the way that Youzi Pi is controlling his Queen through this area. Wall breaks are perfect. You can see the minions just sneaking in to clean up the outside. And the next wall break allows the Queen into that little compartment. Meanwhile, he knows that time could be a factor. So he's starting the Dragon Riders at the top. Remember, at the bottom left of your screen, it does say he needs the 3-star here to win this matchup. Dragon Riders are getting through this area, and he's yet to deploy the battle blimp. He's actually used the Warden ability, which, like I was going to say, means he's sending the battle blimp from the bottom over the top of the Queen. That actually will test for the healers. There's the Black Mine. He should be able to get this Town Hall. Dragon Rider's looking good at the top, but there is a single target Inferno to deal with. The RC ability and the invisibility is going to be crucial here, Woody.
Needs to protect these Dragon Riders, but the single target Inferno heats one of them up, burns it down. That invisibility spell might not have gotten as much value as he was hoping for. He is being blocked and battered, but he's almost got it at the very end. This Archer Queen could be the hero of the day, but walls and walls separate her from her final target. 25 seconds left in the most important war of GKKOG's competitive season.
I think reality is setting into Youzi Pi here. He is understanding that he can't do anything else. He's trying to use the troops to tank for the Archer Queen. I feel so sorry for him, but it's not going to happen. HT family would have been 0.25%